Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the next 25 years of India's independence is going to be Kartavya Kal, as the country is giving top priority to its Kartavya duties. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a meeting of the Union Councils of Ministers. The meeting took place at the newly built convention centre at Pragati Maidan in national capital yesterday evening. The G20 Research and Innovation Initiative Gathering (RIIG) Summit and Research Ministers meeting began in Mumbai today. National Investigation Agency (NIA) has busted a Maharashtra-based ISIS module by arresting 4 accused for promoting terrorist activities at the behest of ISIS. The 12-day-long annual Kanwar Yatra began today in different parts of the country. Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh governments have made elaborate arrangements to manage huge rush of pilgrims.